We are thrilled to announce that our top-of-the-line pellet machine is now available for international shipping. After rigorous testing and quality assurance, we are confident that our pellet machine will meet the highest standards of our customers worldwide. Our pellet machine is designed for maximum efficiency and productivity, with advanced features such as automatic lubrication, reliable performance, and low maintenance requirements. It is ideal for a wide range of industries, from agriculture and animal feed to energy and biomass. As a leading manufacturer of pellet machines, we take great pride in our commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand that every customer has unique needs, which is why we offer customized solutions to meet your specific requirements. Whether you need a standard model or a custom-built machine, our team of experts will work with you every step of the way to ensure that you get the perfect solution for your business. We also offer comprehensive training and support to ensure that you can operate and maintain your pellet machine with confidence. Our dedicated customer service team is available around the clock to provide assistance and answer any questions you may have. We are excited to share our innovative pellet machine with customers worldwide and look forward to building long-term relationships with our international partners. Please contact us to learn more about our products and services and to place an order today. Thank you for choosing our pellet machine, and we look forward to working with you.